Mastering reduced relative clauses in English. Hello there, English learners. Today we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of English grammar: reduced relative clauses. This topic might sound complex, but it's actually a fantastic tool to make your sentences more concise and natural. So, get ready to level up your English. Before we get to reduced relative clauses, we need to understand relative clauses. These are clauses starting with the relative pronouns such as who, which, that, etc. They provide extra information about the subject. For example, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. The book that I borrowed from you is excellent. But how can we make these sentences shorter and more natural? This is where reduced relative clauses come in. They eliminate unnecessary words and make your English flow better. Here's how our previous examples would look after reduction. The woman living next door is a doctor. The book borrowed from you is excellent. See how we reduced who lives to living and that I borrowed to borrowed. That's the magic of reduced relative clauses. Now, you may be asking, how do I know which words to remove? Well, here are the basic rules. 1. Active sentences. In active sentences, we remove the relative pronoun and the verb be, if present. For instance, the man who is playing the guitar is my brother becomes the man playing the guitar is my brother. 2. Passive sentences. In passive sentences, we remove the relative pronoun and any form of the verb be. For example, the cake that was eaten by John was delicious turns into the cake eaten by John was delicious. Remember, we can only use this structure if the relative clause modifies a noun that is the subject of the relative clause. Let's apply these rules with more examples and exercises. Examples. 1. The student who is studying in the library is my friend. 2. Reduced. The student studying in the library is my friend. 3. The movie that was watched by us was scary. 4. Reduced. The movie watched by us was scary. Exercises. 1. The cat, that is, chasing the mouse is mine. 2. The flowers, that were planted by my mother are beautiful. Try these exercises on your own, and check your answers with the ones in parentheses. There you go. Now you have a clear understanding of reduced relative clauses and how they can make your English more efficient and natural. Remember, practice is key. So try using reduced relative clauses in your everyday English. Thanks for joining, and happy learning!